I have discovered a niche that is going viral on TikTok, Instagram, and YouTube, where creators are getting millions of views with both long-form and short-form videos. Some channels have uploaded fewer than a dozen videos, yet one long-form video posted just 3 weeks ago has reached 11 million views, while another crossed 900,000 views. These creators are making simple ASMR house survival videos, and similar content in short form is performing even better, with first uploads hitting 33 million views and follow-up videos reaching over 1.5 million views. Other channels that started only a few weeks ago are already approaching 500,000 views on long videos, and Instagram pages posting the same type of ASMR house survival content are also going viral, with individual reels reaching over 78 million views. These videos are simple, made using free AI tools, and do not require advanced skills or paid software. Anyone can create this type of content. And by watching this video fully, you will learn step by step how to make these exact videos for free and start your own ASMR house survival channel in a niche with low competition that is currently going viral. Before starting the video, like this video, subscribe to the channel, and make sure to click the hype button so I can keep bringing you tutorials like this. To create this type of ASMR house survival video, the first thing you need is prompts. I will put the link to the prompt source in the description so you can easily find it. Once you open it, simply copy the first prompt shown there and get ready to use it in the next step. You need to copy the first prompt shown there, and you can edit it according to your own needs. I have written this first prompt for topic selection, where I mentioned generating unique story ideas, and you can easily modify it inside Google Docs as I have provided. After copying the first prompt, you need to use DeepSeek AI to generate topic ideas. Go to the DeepSeek AI website, sign up, and log in. Once you are logged in, paste the prompt you copied into the input box and click on the Generate button. You will instantly get 10 unique story ideas. If you do not like the results, you can simply click on Regenerate to get new topic ideas. The next step is that your topic is ready, and you can choose any one topic from the list. After selecting a topic, go back to Google Docs and copy the second prompt provided there. Once you copy this prompt, return to DeepSeek AI and paste it into the prompt box. After pasting the prompt, you will see a section in brackets that says, Add your topic. Remove that text and write your selected topic in its place. I already have a topic ready, so I paste it there, and when I click on the Generate button, the AI starts creating a complete story for us. We will then use this story to create our video. Now that the story script is ready, go back to Google Docs and copy the third prompt exactly as it is. After copying it, return to DeepSeek AI and paste this prompt into the prompt box. Inside this prompt, you will see a section that says Add your script. Remove that text, then copy the full story script generated earlier and paste it in its place. After that, click on the Generate button, creating prompts for each part of the video. You just need to wait for about 15 to 20 seconds and your complete video prompts will be ready. Now that our video prompts are ready from DeepSeek, we will use them to generate free AI videos, and you will not need to pay for any AI tool. We will create free videos using all the prompts we generated. First, copy the first video prompt. After copying it, go to the Flow AI website, sign up, and log in. Once you are logged in, click on New Project, and you will see a screen like this appear. Next, go back to DeepSeek AI and copy the first video prompt that it generated for us. Make sure to copy the entire prompt carefully. After copying it, return to Flow AI and paste the prompt there. Before generating the video, click on the Settings button to adjust your preferences. Here you can choose the AI model, select the video ratio, and make any other necessary adjustments. Once your settings are ready, click on the Generate button, and your first video will start being created. You need to wait for 15 to 20 seconds, and after that, your video will be generated on Flow AI. You can check the result, and it will look amazing. On Flow AI, you get 100 free credits every month, which allows you to generate up to 5 videos. If you run out of credits, you can create multiple Gmail accounts and continue generating videos for free using this method. Once our first video is ready, go back to DeepSeek AI and copy the second video prompt. After copying it, return to Flow AI, paste the prompt, adjust any settings if needed, and click on the Generate button. Your next video will start being created. You need to repeat the same process for all your remaining prompts, generating each video one by following the same steps. Now quickly generate videos for all the prompts that DeepSeek AI has given you. Once all the videos are ready, click the download button for each video one by one and save them to your device. I quickly download all the videos this way. Now that I have downloaded all the videos to my device, the next step is editing. For editing, we will use CapCut. The link to CapCut is in the description below, and you can easily click it to download the official app for free. Open CapCut, click on the Import button, and import all the videos you generated from Flow AI. After importing, place the first video on the timeline and watch it completely to make sure there are no unwanted parts. If you find any mistakes or unnecessary sections, cut them out and keep only the part you want. Follow this process step by step for each video, arranging the rest of your clips on the timeline in order, the second, third, fourth, and so on. I quickly arrange all my videos on the timeline this way. After arranging all the videos on the timeline, you can edit your video further by adding transitions. Click on the transition button, and you will see a variety of transitions that you can easily apply to make your video smoother and more engaging. You can also enhance your video by applying effects, doing color grading, and editing according to your preferences. Once you are satisfied with the final edit, click on the Export button, and your video will be saved to your device. If you want to learn how to make short-form videos like this, comment short-form video, and I will make the next tutorial showing exactly how to create ASMR survival shorts. This video is for long-form content, but I will show short-form techniques in the next video.